Hi everyone, Aaron here for Zollotech, and iOS 12, which I have running on my iPhone 10 right here, is supposed to be a refinement and a bug fix, stability fix for all iOS devices back to the 5S. However, iOS 6.1.3 running on a 4S right here is considered to be probably the most stable and bug-free version of iOS and smooth version that Apple has ever created. I thought we'd compare the two and see how they compare as far as speed goes, and just opening some apps and seeing how smooth they are overall. Now, nothing is running. You'll see here I have nothing in the multitasker. If I scroll up here, there's just nothing here. If we go here, I'll show you the version. You'll see this version. You'll see 6.1.3 down here. And if we go over here, here we have iOS 12. This is actually beta 1. So let's take a look at how quickly they open things. So let's first open the camera, since maybe we'd want to do that. So in 3, 2, 1. Both are pretty quick. Let's take a picture. They were both similarly quick. Let's go home. Let's open the weather. And this one was provided by Yahoo. This is the Weather Channel. So you'll see it's the same location, but different temperatures. Let's open the App Store. They're going to be a little bit different. We've got the Today view on the right and the Featured view on the left. So you'll see it's a little stuttery there. We're ready to go over here. How about the iTunes Store? Take a look at the old one on the left. It's taking a little bit longer to load. Now we're both connected to the same Wi-Fi network. However, the iPhone 10 does have faster Wi-Fi. Let's go over here and open a game. So let's open Minecraft. I haven't really done anything in them. It is a little bit older version on the left, but let's see how it would handle something like that. In 3, 2, 1. Let's let it load. We'll see how quickly we can get in and actually play. So we'll hit play, and you'll see I have two different worlds there. We'll let them render, and we're in on the right and on the left. That's pretty fast considering they're similar or dissimilar in so many ways as far as speed goes. It's crazy that the iPhone 4S can actually run that quickly. If we go back home, let's go over here. And let's open the web browser. See, we both have them remembering Zollotech here. Scroll up to the top. You'll see that the iPhone on the right, the iPhone 10, was a little bit faster, but scrolling is nice and smooth on both, just different scroll rates. Now it's locked up on the left here a little bit. It still is locked up, but it is a little bit older as far as browsers go. If we go back in, there we go. So that's pretty fast. Let's open the calendar. Pretty quick. Multitask. And let's go back to Minecraft, see what it does here. So it has to reload on the iPhone 4S. We'll hit resume game and we're back in on the iPhone 10. We'll have to hit play and go back in, and it has to rebuild it. But that's mostly memory management, as it does have less memory. And that's okay. Considering the age of it, you're in pretty quick and you can play. Let's go home, and let's see if we can open a couple more apps. Let's go into music. And it says I have no content. Now, I tried to download it. I've hit my limit, but I think you get the idea. It opens pretty quick. We can go here to more. And there's one of my albums. I can hit download, but it won't let me do it. It says I've hit my limit. But you get the idea. Everything's super smooth and fast here. Now, as far as things like maps, that seems to work okay, but we do have different versions of Google Maps on here. We didn't have Apple Maps with iOS 6.1.3. Let's open the Stocks app. So pretty quick on both. And it's incredible that this is that fast. Let's do one more. Let's open YouTube and see how quickly we can play a video. So I'll open YouTube. We'll let it load. It's right here in 3, 2, 1. Let it come up. It's still loading on the left. And there we go. And we just hit low battery. Let's search for one of my videos here. So here's a video from the other day. Let's see how fast they play in 3, 2, 1. And it started playing on the left first. Now it's playing on the right. That's pretty impressive that it's that much faster on something as old as an iPhone 4S. So it looks like Apple has made improvements, but it's taken a while to get to the same speed on the iPhone 10. Now, some of that's going to be internet dependent, of course, but to be able to do things like open the camera and take a picture. We took a picture at about the same time again and again. So I think you get the idea. It's just so fast compared to what we were used to with, say, an iPhone 5S or SE running iOS 9 or 10 these days. Just so much quicker. If we wanted to go out, go back in, open whatever we want, it's just incredible how much better iOS 6.1.3 was on this old phone than it is on some of the newer phones. So let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Which one do you like better? Do you like the iOS 6 look or the iPhone 10 iOS 12 look? Now, we are due for a redesign of iOS 12 in the next year in 2019, but for now, it looks like iOS 12 is going to hopefully fix a lot of issues and speed all those old phones up to hopefully as fast as this. We'll take a look at that once it's out and it's a final build, but so far, it's looking pretty good on most phones. Let me know which one you like, though, in the comments below. If you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe and like. As always, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.